Okay, so let's start the lists page. So what I've done okay, so let's start the list page. So what I've done in anticipation of this page, I simply typed in the following text, all right? Unordered list, the actual days of the week, ordered list, the first 6 months of the year. So first of all, what is an unordered and what is an ordered list? An unordered list is where you want to put bullet marks in, whereas an ordered list is where you want to put either 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C in. So we'll get started with this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my two headings, ordered and unordered list, to heading 3s. So I'm just going to click in there beside that and I'm going to put in, open a bracket, H3, close it, go to the end of that area and close out the heading 3 and close it, back down to my ordered list here, and again staying with the heading 3 and going to the end of it and closing out the heading 3. Okay, just quickly saving this now. And let's go back to Internet Explorer and just refresh it so you can see what's going on. So you can see all the difference now is we have two headings for unordered and ordered, and yet we still have to do all this work in here. Currently they're just straight lines. So let's go back here. Now let's begin to tell it what each one is. So before the Monday, I'm going to open up the tag, and the tag I want in here is UL for an unordered list. I'm going to tell it the type that I want in this instance is going to be equal to a circle. You have three choices in this instance. You can either have a disc, a square, or a circle, but for now we'll just stick with the circle, and I'm going to close it. We now need to tell it where to begin the line and close the line. So we want to begin a line at Monday, so we'll open this up and LI is the tag, and we need to tell it where the line stops. Otherwise it will just, again, go in one continuous line. And we want to stop it there, so we forward slash and line, and close it out. We just simply do that for the remainder of the days, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so that's those done. We'll just quickly save that again, and we'll go off to Internet Explorer, and again we'll just refresh this page. And there we have it. We have our unordered list right there. Now I know that something's not quite right because this is also jumped in. So we need to just quickly go back here. And the reason it's not right is because I opened the tag UL, but I didn't close it. So right here, I need to simply stop this UL now under unordered list and stop it. I'll save it. I'll quickly go back to Internet Explorer and refresh that page. And yes, that's what I would have expected to see, not what it was previously. Okay, so we're going to go back to our page now, and let's say I want to change circle to square. So I'll just simply take out the word circle and change it to square. Save it, go back to Internet Explorer, and again before I refresh you can see that they're circles, and if we refresh we now have squares. And like I said, you've got three choices: disc, square or circle. So I'm going to go back out here now to my ordered list, and again my ordered list would be 1, 2, 3, etc. Alright, so again, I need to tell it. So I'm going to open this up and say OL and close it. And this time, before I do anything else, I'm going to go to the very bottom and stop it so I don't forget. Again, ordered list and stop. So in the ordered list, I'm going to tell it what type I want. Otherwise, it assumes you want 1, 2, 3. But in this instance, I want ABC. So I'm going to say type equals quote mark A quote mark. Okay, and I'm going to go to the beginning of January now, and again do exactly the same as what I did here. Open up the line and close the line. So open LI, close the bracket, go to the end of January and close the line, forward slash LI, and again all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so now that finished, let's save that. Let's go back to Internet Explorer and let's refresh, and hey presto, here we have ABCD. So let's go back again, and this let's say for argument's sake we want to change it to numbers, so we'll take that out, put 1 in, again save it, back out to Explorer again, refresh it, and you can see they've changed from A, B, C's to 1, 2, 3's. Now just as one other example, let's say that we want to start at 5, we just simply say start. In here we go back over here, and another attribute would be, again lowercase Kathleen, would be start is equal to 5. Okay, let's save that. Let's go back out to Internet Explorer and refresh. You can see it picks up from the number you wish. Okay, for now I'm going to put that simply back to 1, 2, 3. So come back over here and we'll just simply say 1. Save it. Over we go to Internet Explorer, refresh. And then we have ordered and unordered lists.